Hey, good morning guys. Welcome to the video. Got an absolutely beautiful morning today and got a small little project that's gonna help me get going with the grass cutting season here. I'm in the infield of the go-kart track, and I've got 2 piles of pine logs. Here's one. It's got about 20 logs in it, and I need to move it over here to this other pile, just kind of consolidate it. And just so you know, like, all of these logs, some have been here for a while, others I've been kind of adding to it as we go, but this is leftover damage from Hurricane Helene. So we were pretty lucky, but we did have a pretty devastating amount of wind here on the property. In fact, we're pretty sure that we had a tornado come through because we had 19 trees go down on the property. And so before I had the excavator, it was just a chainsaw and a tractor cleaning it all up. And since I've had the excavator, I've been able to do a lot more work as far as cleaning it up, which has been fantastic. She's been great for that. All right, so I'm gonna get you guys set up, and we'll start with the first part, which is moving that stack of logs from there to over here. Okay guys, well, that's going to be a wrap on this. I'm pretty pleased with how that went. Got it all moved from here to over there. I did take the excavator bucket and bang into the stack several times to see if anything was going to be loose or roll around, and it's all solid, so I'm not worried about it rolling down or falling down. So I'll definitely come by with the chainsaw at some point and kind of cut some of these extra ends off so that I can get around it with the lawnmower or the tractor a little easier. And so I can get this infield of the track cut. So it's a pretty hefty stack of pine logs now. Well guys, thanks for watching the video again, and if you like this kind of content, I appreciate it if you would like the video, subscribe so you don't miss anything, and really help me grow the channel. Really enjoy these types of projects, and you know, it's just a hobby for me, and I know there's lots of you guys out there that do this for a living, so I'm always open for critiques and advice. So if you have any for me, give them to me. But just remember, if you enjoy what you do, you never work a day in your life. Thanks.